How to sign up on Slack on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to create a new Slack account and workspace in just a few steps. First, open your browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, go to slack.com in the address bar. Let me show you. From there, click on Sign In or Get Started at the top right of the page. At this point, click on Create a New Workspace to begin setting up your account. In the next step, enter your email address in the field provided and click on Continue. From there, Slack will send a confirmation code to your email. Open your inbox and check for the message from Slack. At this stage, copy the code from the email and enter it on the Slack sign-up page. Following this, once verified, you'll be asked to enter your name. Type in your full name and click on Continue. Once done, Slack will ask you to name your workspace. Type in a name for your team or project and click on Next. From there, you'll be asked what your team is working on. Select an option from the list or type your own and click on Continue. Here's an important note. Once your workspace is created, Slack will prompt you to download the desktop app. If you haven't installed it yet, click on Download Slack to get the app for Windows. Finally, once everything is set up, you'll be taken directly into your new workspace. From here, you can create channels, customize settings, and start messaging your team. And that's it. If this guide helped you sign up on Slack on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.